Today we're going to do an item review or an item unboxing on this radio for this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, so we just picked this up because we're going to do a little bit of an upgrade. We removed the stock radio head unit and we're going to replace it with this Android digital unit. This is a plug and play kit. Nice digital screen. And it's to replace the original one, and here it is. We usually like to buy the radios with the bezel, but this one is just the radio itself. So here it is. This is everything it comes with. It comes with the plug and play adapter here. Comes with a camera, USB. It has video input and output, multiple channel input, microphone, the adapter for the antenna, 2 USB connections. I'm thinking this is going to be for the camera, and yeah, comes with a set of instructions. This is basically everything it comes with. I already removed the old radio, like I said. Now we just have to wire this unit back into the Jeep. This one will just go in just like so. Then you have your input adapters that will go here. It's gonna go upside down like this. Which way do you go, bro? Just like that. And you want to make sure you click that in all the way. Oh, there is 2 antenna adapters. Nice, I just seen that. The one we require, I believe, is this one here. So we'll insert this one here now. We have our USB adapter. That's going to go right here. If I could get it to go in. Alright, and there is the first one. Now we'll do the second one, and this one will go right next to it here. Then we have our camera input, just like so. We have our GPS antenna for our navigation, and that will go threaded on right here, just like so. Interesting. Comes with a microphone, but no microphone port. Yeah, there is no microphone port. Awesome. And I think it has some USBs ports in the fronts. No, I think that's just decoration. Ah, it's on the pigtail. Sweet. So that goes connected right there. Then this little contraption, I believe, goes connected onto the radio wiring harness itself that's in the vehicle. And there we have it. Sweet. And that is my review on this. I'll fire it up, I'll get it connected, I'll make an install video, and we'll check it out. Alright, so this one actually connects right here, right into this pigtail harness. And then this one here will connect to the radio right here. Sweet. And I'm about to install it, and we'll see how it looks. Is connect our pigtail here right to this gray one. Alright, and I'm going to connect my reverse camera here, so that way I could just have it sitting here, and then we'll pass everything through. Next, what we have to do is just mount the radio into place. Alright, and we're going to connect our antenna. Alright, and that goes connected to this white one here. And then I believe to power the camera up, it's going to be this blue one, but we will see when we get there. Now we'll put everything up and pass our wires. Alright, and I'm going to put the 4 screws to hold it into place so it doesn't fall and crack the screen. And using a 7mm socket, we'll secure this down. Alright, and there it is. And before we move on any further, I want to make sure that this radio does turn on. Sweet. and we are able to proceed on forward. All right, so I'm gonna just pass the mic this way and hang it somewhere up here. All right, microphone is passed. I just shoved the wire through here, right through here. I remove this panel here, pass the wire through there, all the way through the top. Put this cover back into place, just like so. Sweet, and there it is. Now we'll run our USB cables into our glove box here. All right, just like so. That's in there. Now we have to pass our camera wire through as well. All right, and now the GPS. This is gonna just sit right up here. We'll make room for it somewhere. All right, we'll remove the double-sided sticky tape, and I'm just gonna sit it up there, just like so. All right, sweet. So now I have to make sure that this sends the signal when it receives 12 volts. So it throws this into reverse mode. Okay, nice. So this one is detecting when you throw it in reverse, and it lets you know which doors are open. That's pretty freaking sick. So I don't have to connect no cable here. We just have to send the signal to the radio. All right, cool. So that saves us a lot of headache. Now we're able to close this back up. We'll put the bezel back into place. All right, and we'll set this down. And there's 4 bolts that secure this down. There's one here, one up here, one on this side, and then one on this side. All right, and once you have everything secured, we'll put this little cover up there. There is a bottom piece that goes down in here, slides in just like so, and then it just clips in. Perfect. This one's a little open there, but it's no big deal. We'll grab our window switch here, connect it here, lock this tab back into place, press this back in, just like so. Sweet, and we're pretty much done. We just gotta wire up that camera, but let's check it out. Let's fire this up. Let's take this off. Woo! Looking nice. It is an Android touchscreen radio. There it is. Should have navigation. And then you can always like hook up an Xbox or a PlayStation to this because it has input ports. Pretty sick. It's loading, it's taking its time. There it's going, yada yada. EQ, that has radio. Like, what else do you need? Nice. And the steering wheel buttons work. Nice. That is super nice. Sweet. I like it. Pretty nice. Pretty dope. Let's finish with that backup camera. All right, now I'm gonna grab my cable for the reverse camera and run it on the side, and then run it all the way to the back. All right, and I removed this panel here, and I just passed it through the top, and I put it behind there, and it's coming out the side. I'm gonna put this cover back on now, and then just continue to run it all the way to the back. All right, I'm gonna use a trim tool removal. I removed this retainer clip that's right here, just like so. I'm probably gonna have to remove these as well, just so I could get underneath this plastic and be able to pass that cable. They're a little tough to get at. I'm using a different one, a different tool now, and it is coming out. Just be careful with these, and then just run it through the bottom all the way through till you get to the back. All right, and then we're gonna pick up the carpet here on this side, and we're gonna run it from underneath the carpet all the way to the back, and then underneath the carpet in the back of the trunk. All right, and we'll open up this rear hatch. We'll remove this plastic from here. Sweet. And then I think maybe we're gonna go through here. This leads right to the bottom of outside. It's right on top of the muffler. Not too sure if that would be good there. Well, we're just gonna send it through here. This is a heat shield and it looks like the exhaust is pretty far from it. So we're just gonna send it. Send it. All right, I'm gonna just slice up this rubber grommet right through here so we could slide that rubber through, or the rubber through the wire so it does not break the wire. And there we have it, just like that. Perfect. Let's put this back into place. Goes up just like so. This goes down. That closes up like that. Boom. Sweet. We have our connection dropped here. Already have my camera mounted onto the rear of the bumper here. We'll remove the little cover. Next we have to do is connect our wires together and provide some 12 volts. And we will do that by tapping into the reverse light, possibly on this side. Dang it, I still got to do some tapping. All right, so for the power, I removed the jack from here. It's located right here. This is the stick, there's the jack. I removed it from there. There is a rubber grommet that's right here that I think that's probably the one that we're going to be using to run our power. We have this one for the camera. I'm probably just going to run everything off of this one here. All right, and there it is. So I just ran the cable through there. I'll hook up the signal wire there. We have our power source here, and we'll run this back in here and we'll tap into the wire lighting. All right, and there it is. Everything is back together there. We just have to run this cable here and we are set. All right, I'm gonna use a Torx 27 to remove these bolts holding this plastic cover down. This one's covered up in dirt. Oh man, I'm gonna be able to get to that one. All right, it is loose from the bottom. Let me see if I can get it to come off. And there we go. And I'm gonna remove this tail light and see what wires we got back here using a Phillips screwdriver. And you just have to remove these two. Set these over to the side. And out it comes. And then our reverse light will be this green one with white. Let's see if it's still the same over here. Alright, so on the other end it comes out as gray and white. Alright, I disconnected the tail light. Pull this inwards. Here we have it. Here's our connection. Here's our connection right here. So we're gonna tap into the gray and white right there and this black one. So let me make my cuts. All right, cool. I just wanted to try it out before I confirm it, and it is working. So it is the gray and white and the black I tapped into. The gray and white goes with the red, and the black, the red and black. There it is. We'll just align this up. You see where that looks pretty good. Oh, that's pretty good right there, I think, maybe. Oh, that thing is way down there. Sweet. That'll work. That'll work. Now, I'm gonna throw some solder on here and throw some black tape pass my connection back through, connect my tail light, cover up my connection mess that I made, and we're golden. Alright, it's nice and soldered. Connections ain't going anywhere. Throw some black tape on there and put everything back. Alright, and there we have it. Everything is back together. Tail light is back together. Everything is back together inside. Let's fire it up. Let's try it out. Radio starts up. My door is open. Let's close this door. Door is closed. Let's throw it in reverse. And there is our reverse picture right there. Sweet. Now everything is functional. We now have reverse camera. We now have an Android radio. And everything is good to go. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Alright, and here it is. Fired up. It shows when the door is open, when the doors are closed. It has radio, it has Android, it has navigation, touchscreen, has backup camera. Wire that up. Everything is functional and everything is good. Everything is all plug and play. The only hardest part was running the wire to the rear for the backup camera, but other than that, everything is good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.